Good day to you, my viewers. I'll be talking about the new mobile network codes. The new network codes for all Nigerian mobile networks. The Nigerian Communication has released a list of harmonized short code for mobile networks in our country, Nigeria. According to the e.t.c, this development means that users of MTN, Airtel, 9mobile and Glo mobile networks will carry out the services their individual network providers provide with the same short codes. This simply means that all networks will be using the same short codes. 300 is now the new code for call center and help desk. That's if you have any complaint, you call the customer care via the 300. And this same applies to all networks. The new customer care number is 300. That's a simulation test. For voicemail deposit, you dial 301. For voicemail deposit, you dial 301. It takes you to where you can get voicemail. For voicemail retrieval, you dial 302. If you need to retrieve a voicemail message that has been sent to you, you dial 302. To borrow service, if you are out of credits and you need an airtime, you dial 303 on your mobile phone. I will show you a simulation test. To borrow airtime, you dial *003#. You can see that one is a simulation test used on Airtel network SIM. To stop the service, you dial 305. To stop service, you dial 305. To check your account balance, which is very, very important, you dial either 310 or you dial *310# to know the amount of airtime you have left on your network SIM. I will give you a simulation test results. That one is for Glo, and it can also be used for any other Nigerian networks, either Airtel, MTN. To recharge your phone, you dial *311 *PIN#, or you can call 311, then a voice will prompt you to enter your voucher PIN followed by the # key, or simply dial *311 *voucher PIN# for credit recharge. To buy data plan, you dial *312#. When you want to buy data plans, you dial *312#. To share services, either you want to share data with your friends and families, you dial *321#. To share services, it will give you the opportunity to share services. To check your data plan balance, you dial *323#. If you are willing to check the amount of data balance left on your phone, you dial *323#. I'll give you a simulation test results on that. That's for my Glo SIM, which is applicable to every network as well. For SIM leakage, you dial *996# for NIN SIM leakage. The new harmonized short code adopted by the e.t.c was a welcome development in the telecoms industry, because this had been the global best practice in other countries of the world. The new codes are designed to help make telecommunication service easier and less burdensome for both the users and the network providers. We now have unified numbers irrespective of your network provider. For instance, if I want to charge my phone, instead of using the short code for MTN, which was star 555 star pin hash, while Airtel is star 126 star pin hash. For example, only it will no longer be like that. Whatever number I'm using on MTN will be the same exact number for other networks. The whole essence was just to reduce the burden so that irrespective of the network you are using, you can easily use one short code to do whatever you want to do. It would also help shape the telecoms experience for users going forward. A friend of mine who is a telecom expert further said, harmonization would particularly be of great benefit to people with multiple numbers and other people who also use various network providers and can barely commit to memory the short code needed for any transaction they may have to do on the various networks. The whole essence is just to have it unified. The short code for each service you want is now the same. There's no need to say, because I'm on MTN, I must use this number. If I'm using Airtel, I must use another number. The era of that has passed. The NCC gave May 17, 2023 as the deadline for mobile network operators to implement the approved short code. However, the unified numbers and the existing short codes for each network number will run concurrently till a year when they will be phased out. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Kindly click on subscribe to get more trending topics.